In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find chat history in Claude. If you've ever had a great conversation with Claude and wanted to pick it up later, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to find it. First, open your Claude account, use whichever device you prefer, desktop or mobile, and make sure you're signed in to the correct account so you see the right set of conversations. Once you're in, you'll land on the main interface where you can navigate to your messages. Next, click Chat. This is the central place where your conversations live. Depending on your screen size, you might see chat as a tab, a button, or a chat bubble icon in the sidebar or along the top. Tap or click it and you'll be taken straight to your messaging area. Think of this as your library of past work, questions, drafts, and brainstorming sessions, all organized for quick access. Here is where you can see your chat history and you can revisit them again. You'll typically find a list of previous conversations, often arranged from the most recent to the oldest. Each entry usually shows a title or the opening line, along with a timestamp, so it's easy to spot the thread you're looking for. Scroll through the list to browse, and when you see the conversation you want, select it. The full thread will open in the main window, including everything you exchanged before. From there, simply continue typing to pick up right where you left off. Staying in the same thread helps Claude retain context, which is especially useful for ongoing projects or multi-step tasks. If your chat list looks empty, it might be a brand new account, or you may be signed into a different profile than you used before. Chat history is tied to your account, so switching accounts changes what you see. Also, give your prompts clear openers when you start a conversation. Those first lines often become the visible label, making it easier to recognize later. On mobile devices, the layout may be a bit more compact, but the chat area and your history will still be in the same place conceptually, just behind the chat icon. That's all there is to it. Open your Claude account, click Chat, and use the conversation list to view and revisit your history anytime. Keep your important threads together and you'll always be a click away from your previous work and ideas.